Get no better than this here, man. On hands experience like this here. Learn from the best, Marcus. You make things easy to put an alternator in, but it get difficult sometimes.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, huh?
Oh yeah.
The most simple thing is to turn hard.
What is? Come on, meet today.
I thought you put the.
It's in the garage.
So when you put the belt back on?
No. After you.
After you tighten it up?
Are you taking it out the garage?
Yeah.
I noticed you took a negative off the battery too. Also, why you do that for?
Also, when you deal with anything with power,
right?
You want to take the battery off so it won't touch anything else.
Okay, that's safety mechanism right there, folks.
Yep.
You want to take the negative off so that way it won't be no charge going through the battery, like cutting the power off to electrical device in the house. As you can see here, he's working on a 2009 Chevy Suburban LS 5.3 1500, putting a brand new stock alternator in right now. Detailed craftsman. So looking for a good mechanic, reliable, dependable, trustworthy, contact me. blackwhite3140@gmail.com. Appointments only, folks. Appointments only. Use your alternator, take about good 45 minutes to an hour, engine cool down. Basic work, maybe an hour and a half. Take the pulleys down, brand new alternator, charge the battery. You're gonna charge the battery, boost it up, see what's going on, and everything. Get all in there.